Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing very well. So, my name is Elka. Today, I'm going to talk about basics of digital marketing. So, before dive into the basics of digital marketing, first we will need to understand what is the marketing. So, give me one second. I'm going to share the screen. So, in basics of digital marketing, we will talk about first what is marketing, and later we will talk about what is digital marketing. After that, key areas of digital marketing, and then essential skill and FAQ. So we will talk about that. So before starting basics of digital marketing, first you need to understand what is the marketing. Look, marketing is like all about the process of promoting of any product and services. But marketing is not just about selling any product. It's like you're finding what people want and making it plus promoting it. Finding what people want, it means what kind of product and services people want. Look, any company want to promote their product or services in the market, but any business person need to understand first whatever product or services you are going to promote in the market. So before promoting your product, you need to understand your product is required for your customer or not. Is there any necessity for customer? Is your product fulfill any kind of requirement for the customer? Is there your product resolve any issue for customers? So marketing is all about the process of promoting of any product and services to the customers. You need to understand what is the customer needs, what exactly customer wants, and you have to create a value. You have to create a value. It means that you have to focus on a product quality and a service quality. And you have to communicate very clearly with customers that value effectively to drive sales and build lasting relationships. So, look, first thing, the four key element of marketing that's called the 4P. I think the screen is not moving. Okay, so 4 P's of marketing. We will call it the elements of a marketing. 4P, it means the first P stands for a product, what kind of product you are going to offer in the market. And second P stands for a price. What is the price for your product? And third P for stand for a place where it's available. And fourth P is that promotion. How could you tell people about your product or services? Either you want to do promotion traditionally, either you want to do promotion digitally. So it is the four key areas, elements of the marketing. So before doing digital marketing, before doing any kind of marketing, as a digital marketer, you need to understand the 4 P's of marketing. 4 P it means what is the product and what kind of product they are going to offering. If their products are ready to promote in the market, is not. And what is the price of their product? And what is the location? Location is a very important. Either they want to do a marketing local people for local people, either they want to do a marketing for a national or international. You have to find these all kinds of questions. And after that, you have to decide how do you want to promote your product. Either you want to do your product traditionally or digitally. So that's all about a marketing. So anybody have any question about marketing? Please hand raise. Vani Priti Rachna. Any question? Priti Rachna Manavi. Okay, thank you. So right now we will talk about what is the digital marketing. Look, digital marketing we will call it a online marketing or a internet marketing because the digital it means online. So in digital marketing you have to promote your product You have to promote your product or services through using online channels. It means digital channels like SEO, social media marketing, paid campaign platform, website, mobile application. That's all called a digital media channels. So digital marketing is the promotion of any product of any services using online channels. Online channel it means digital channels like SEO, social media platform, Google AdWords, content marketing, all of that. You can reach millions of people instantly and actually measure your result. It is a very best benefit if you are doing a digital marketing. So promoting your product or services using digital channels, you can reach instant global audience and you can track your result also. So after that, you need to understand first how do you promote your product and why do you need to do a digital marketing? What is the benefit of a digital marketing? First and most important element is a reach. You have a chance, your businesses can reach a global audience or national audience also including. And digital marketing is the cost effective. If we are going to compare the traditional marketing, it's cheaper than traditional advertising like a TV or a newspaper. In digital marketing channels, all have on performance report tool. If you want to do rank your website on the search engine platform, you can rank everything, how much pages are ranking on the search engine result page and how much traffic you are getting on a daily basis or a weekly or monthly using Google Analytics tool. Look, in digital marketing, all the platform have a on performance tool. You can track it and you can measure it. So you can target very easily like what kind of target a specific group are interested in your product or services. So target audience, it means you have to target as a like a age, location, or a interest or a gender basis. So you can interact with your customers, like increasing your comments and share, and you have to increasing engagement also. So what is the traditional marketing? So traditional marketing is all about offline marketing. Offline marketing, it means you have to promote your product and services through using a traditionally channels like TV, commercial ad, newspaper, pamphlet, banners. That's all. So, so why digital marketing matters to the wider reach? You can connect with millions of people globally at very low cost. It's not a like a very costly thing. Precise targeting, you can reach out the right people based on interest, location, and behavior. Right people means here those people are interested in your product or services. It means if you are running a online store based site like Flipkart and Myntra, and you want to, people are coming into your website, of course, purchasing your product. So always need to understand right people means what kind of people are interested in your product or services. Either they are going to purchase any product, either they are going to fill up your all the form in your website. So it's all about the target audience and the right people. You can track your result also using a performance tool like Google Analytics, Facebook performance tool. All the digital media channels have on performance report tool. You can also build up your strong relationship with your customers. For this, you have to promote your product on a daily basis. You have to post on a daily basis blog on your website. Either if you are running a business through using a social media platform, you want to promote your product on social media platforms, you have to post it on a daily basis on social media platforms also. Okay. So what is the main component of a digital marketing channels? Like main marketing channels, main component, main elements. So if you want to do a digital marketing, you have to learn more than 7 to 8 channels. But after learning and completing 7 component, you need to pick up a two or three niche. You can't start like a project from all the seven elements. After completing the course, you need to start with two or three element only. Either you can choose the website marketing, either you can choose the search engine optimization. But don't think like that after completing the course, you are going to work on all the component of a digital marketing. It will be a very hectic because you don't have any knowledge. So that's why. So first you have to do a work on a project and you have to choose at least a three niche. Like either you want to choose a website marketing, either you want to choose a search engine optimization. It's completely upon you. So, like, what is a website marketing? Website marketing is all about you have to make a website. So before making a website, you need to purchase a domain and hosting. Domain is all about what is the name of your website, and hosting is all about the space. After that, search engine optimization. Search engine optimization here, we are going to rank our website on the search engine platform. Look, search engine platform have total 100 web page, and you have to index your web page on the search engine platform. Index means you have to add your website into a database of search engine platform. After that, you have to rank your website at least 1 to 10 web page in a search engine platforms. It's all about a search engine optimization. Why we are doing a search engine optimization? Because if I want to rank our website on the internet for long-term purpose, you have to do a SEO. If your website is ranking, you will get a lots of traffic on a daily basis. And if you will get a very good traffic, then you have a very good opportunity for earning money through your website using Google AdSense tool. Okay, so it's all about a SEO. After that, search engine marketing. So search engine marketing is all about a paid campaign. So always keep in your mind, search engine marketing is all about a paid campaign. Here you have to pay some money on Google. Look, whenever you are going to search it, any keyword on a search engine platform, they are showing us some ads form of a sponsor. It's all about a paid campaign. So search engine marketing is all about a paid campaign. You have to pay some money on Google. So for paid campaign, if you want to run a paid campaign, you have to set up your ad on using a Google AdWord platform. Okay, if anybody want to run their business and promote their business on the internet and they want to do a paid promotion on a Google platform like that, you have to choose a Google AdWords. So for using a Google AdWord, you need to make an account in Google AdWord and you need to add some money on Google AdWord and you need to set up the whole campaign for running an ad on the Google platforms. So always keep in your mind whenever you want to do a paid campaign on a Google platform, you have to choose a Google AdWord platform. So Google AdWord platform is a product of the Google. In a Google AdWord, you just have to set up the campaign and add some money on a Google AdWord platform. Okay. So Google AdWord is for those people who want immediate result, quick result. Okay, but here's the thing. Don't think like that. You are just making the website and hosting your website on the internet today, and you are going to do a paid campaign. You think like that. I will get 1K, 2K traffic within 2 hours, within 24 hours, within 48 hours. Not possible. You will get traffic, but not like on a quality basis and not very good traffic. So before doing any kind of paid campaign, either you are going to choose the Google AdWord, either you are going to choose any social media paid platform. First, do a SEO of your website. You need to understand first you have to index your website on the internet. After that, if you want to do a paid campaign, it will be a benefit for you. But before doing any SEO, before doing any optimization of your website, your no single web page is ranking on the internet. So, and you are just going to directly running an ad on Google AdWords just for seeking for an immediate result. You will get result, but not a quality basis. So your money is completely waste. So first do SEO, rank your at least one or two web page on the search engine result page, 1 to 10 web page between the latter. You can do it a search engine marketing. So after that, we are going to talk about content marketing. Look, content marketing is all about distributing your content on the media channels. So in the content marketing, first you need to understand you have to choose what kind of content you want to promote. In the market, four kind of content are available. First thing is the text, audio, video, and image. If you have a plan, you think like that, you can write very well. So you can choose it a blogging and you can write blog topic on a daily basis and post in a any product based company or service based company. It's upon you completely. So if you are going to choose a like you like it a video content, you have to make a video and promote your videos on a YouTube channels, of course, because YouTube is a very big video marketing company. So if you're going to choose the email, so you have to make a very infographic image and you for making infographic images, you have to post it on a social media platforms. So content marketing is all about distributing your content on a digital media channels. So it's upon you completely what kind of content you are going to choose. Either you are going to choose a text content, either you are going to choose audio, video, and image. Look, audio content in this market, we are going to call it for audio marketing is a podcasting. So YouTube has also launched it at a podcasting. So after choosing a content niche, then you have to choose a platforms. If you are going to choose a text content, so what kind of text you are going to writing? Because if you have a plan for writing a content on a like a blogging websites, so you have to write it very clearly and you have to choose some keyword also. Then your blog is ranking. Either you are not going to choose any keyword for a blogging, in that situation your blog website will never rank. So it's upon you completely. After that, we are going to do a email marketing. For email marketing for those person those want to do email marketing and those business person wants to promote their product and services on the internet using the email marketing platform. Look, for email marketing, uh, you have to use either MailChimp or either a Send I below. Because for email marketing, what we are going to do email marketing? Email marketing is all called a mass mail. Mass mail, you can call it. You can call it merging the mail. It means like that you have to just add the all the contact of the people through using the Excel sheet or CSV sheet. Later, you have to just make a template. What kind of product or services you are going to offer your user. So anybody want to promote their business using the email marketing, you have to choose a very big and most useful email marketing platform like a MailChimp. MailChimp is the very best platform for an email marketing campaign. Later, we are going to talk about a social media platform. Social media platform is all about promoting your product and services using the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. So always keep in your mind if you have a plan for promoting your business through using a social media platform. In that situation, you have to make a business page or company page on a social media platform because using a personal account, you can promote your product and any services. So always keep in your mind in future or present, no matter whenever you are have a plan for promoting your product on social media platform, before promoting your product, you have to make a business page on a social media platforms. In a business phase, you have to put it on a company logo, company name, and company cover page. All the very specific and related information about the company. So What is the affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is all about the commission basis marketing. Commission basis marketing, you have to promote the product of any company and you have to sell it, and later they will give you a money for per sale of your products. So affiliate marketing is all about a commission basis marketing. So in this market, Flipkart and Amazon, a very big affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is for very good opportunity, and you can earn lots of money through using the affiliate marketing. So before doing affiliate marketing, you have to learn at least a social media marketing or a SEO. Why? Because if you have a plan in the future, if you're going to join any affiliate marketing company, no company will train you how to promote the products. All the affiliate marketing company just give you a product or service link, or either they will give you your own like a just a dashboard platform where your name is mentioned, what kind of product you are going to product, all the product name is mentioned. So always keep in your mind if you have a plan for doing affiliate marketing. So before doing affiliate marketing, you have to learn at least one as social media marketing or a SEO, because affiliate marketing will just give you only a product or service link and you have to promote on yourself. It's upon you completely. And how much product you are going to sell, then you will get a commission basis on it. So last one thing is influencer marketing. So influencer marketing who have a like on content, they are promoting their content on a Instagram platform, on a Facebook platforms. So it's all about a main component of a digital marketing channels. So anybody have any question? Any question? Preeti, unmute yourself. Preeti, Preeti, unmute yourself. Preeti,
Yes,
please tell me some digital media channels name
social media,
or
email,
or
Facebook, Instagrams.
you have to say a email marketing or Instagram marketing. You can't say like that a Instagram or Facebook, because if you will say a Facebook or Instagram, it's like a, for a Facebook you are going to use it for personal purpose. Okay. In the digital media channels, you have to say like that email marketing, social media marketing, or Facebook marketing. You can't say that like it a Facebook or only Instagram, because if you will say it a Facebook or Instagram, it means Facebook and Instagram is a for personal account, not for a business account. Okay, pretty mute yourself. Manvi, unmute yourself. Manvi Kumari.
Yes.
So, did you have any question?
No, I am good. I don't have any question.
Okay. So, nobody have any questions, so I'm going to wrap up this class today. So thank you all of you.